Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to sign up in your Robinhood app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Robinhood app. So once you open your Robinhood app, you need to simply tap on the sign up option. Then choose a country where you are currently living or permanently live. So once you choose a country, all you need to do is simply press the continue button and type in your email address. Now simply create a password for your account, and once it is done, hit the continue button again. So after doing this, you need to now type in your real or legal name. And after you have done this, all you need to do is simply tap on continue and then type in your phone number. After you have typed in your mobile phone number, hit the continue button and verify your mobile phone number by typing in the code sent to your mobile phone. Then once you have entered the verification code, you can simply hit the continue button once again. After doing this, now all you need to do is simply type in the date of birth and then continue to the next page. After you are done with this, you need to now type in your residential address and type in where you are a citizen of, and type in your TIN, or if you don't have a TIN, you can simply complete the given prompts. Then you need to disclose your saving, your sources of saving, and how much do you plan to deposit and withdraw from your account, and your employment status as well. You need to give consent after reading the review agreements, and once you are done reading the agreement and accepting it, all you need to do is simply read the introduction again, type and simply tap in the consent box and hit the agree and continue button. Once this is done, you can even continue by verifying your identification and then setting up your PIN code. So once this PIN code is set, you will get simply signed up into your account, and now you can scroll through your Robinhood. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.